Hello dear children, once again welcome back to our online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LP Public School which is situated in Golabachar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, today we are going to start the next chapter which is given in your Tune into Grammar book. So for that, first of all you have to take out your book and open page number 15. So dear student, this is chapter number 4. And the topic of this chapter is types of sentences. Student, today's topic is types of sentences. We have already learned about the sentence in our previous video. So now today's video I am going to explain that how many types of sentences. Okay student? Before starting the kinds of sentences, first of all we have to learn about what is sentence. So dear student, we have to learn that a sentence is a group of words which make a complete sense. A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. And we have also learned that it contains subject and predicate. We have already learned about this topic, subject and predicate. So a sentence contains subject and predicate. Now the next stage. For example, there is a Ram is a boy. Ram is a boy. So Ram is a subject and is a boy is a predicate. So dear student, there is important notes for you that a sentence always start with a capital letter. A sentence always start with a capital letter and mostly end with full stop or other like question mark or exclamation mark. Now the next stage, words are placed in the correct order to make sense. In a sentence, we can see that always start with a capital letter and mostly ends with full stop or other exclamation or question mark, and words are placed in the correct order to make sense. Now we going to the move next kinds of sentences. Kinds of sentences. So my dear student, there are 4 types of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences, that is first stage assertive or declarative sentence, second is interrogative sentence. First stage assertive or declarative sentences, second is interrogative sentences, third is imperative sentences, and fourth is exclamatory sentences. Okay. So dear student, there are 4 types of sentences. First is declarative, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory. Okay. So one by one we are going to learn about these kinds. Firstly, we are going to learn about the assertive or declarative sentence. What is assertive and this declarative sentence? So student, a sentence that makes a statement is called an assertive or declarative sentence. It can be either positive or negative. A declarative sentence ends with a full stop. Dear student, what is declarative sentence? So we can say that a sentence that makes a statement is called an assertive or declarative sentence. It can be either positive or negative. A declarative sentence ends with a full stop. There is an example of declarative sentence, that is Red Riding Hood went to the forest. The boy is tall and smart. We did not go to the party. Student, there is an example of declarative sentence, that is Red Riding Hood went to the forest. The boy is tall and smart and we did not go to the party. This sentence states something about their subject and are called assertive or declarative sentence. The first 2 sentences are positive sentence while the last one is negative sentence. Okay. So dear student, you must be remember that declarative sentence is a statement. It can be negative statement. It tells us something. It always ends with the full stop. Okay. After declarative sentences, we are going to learn about the interrogative sentences. So student, what is interrogative sentences? So dear student, a sentence that asks questions is called an interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? So we can say that a sentence that asks questions is called an interrogative sentence, and an interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. An interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. It is a sign of question mark. Okay student. So let's read some examples of interrogative sentence. So there is a first, when is your birthday? When is your birthday? Then second is who is your best friend? Third is what is the time by your watch? And fourth is where are we going to? Student, these are the examples of interrogative sentence. Now the next, you must be remember about the interrogative sentence, that is an interrogative sentence asks a question and it always ends with a question mark. It is a very important for you. You have to learn this. Now there is a next sentence is imperative sentence. Okay, imperative sentences. So what is imperative sentences? Let's learn about it. So student, there is a third is imperative sentence. Okay, what is imperative sentence? So a sentence that expresses an order or makes a request or gives an advice is called an imperative sentence. Okay, it's an imperative sentence. So student, a sentence that expresses an order or make a request or gives an advice is called an imperative sentence. So there is an example of imperative sentence, that is stand up. It means command. Second, please pass me that books. It's doing request. It's make a request, and first makes a command. And third is be careful. It's give advice. Okay. In imperative, we have to learn that a sentence that expresses an order or makes a request or gives an advice is called an imperative sentence. So there is examples according to the sentence. Now the next is this sentence expresses this sentence expresses an order, request and advice and are called imperative sentence. Now the next is student, you must be learn about the imperative sentence, that is we use imperative sentence to give orders or commands or to make request. It begins with the verb or the term please. It usually ends with a full stop. Okay student, so these are the important things about the imperative sentence. Now moving to the next sentence, that is exclamatory sentences. Okay, the fourth one is exclamatory sentences. So let's learn about what is exclamatory sentence. So student, a sentence that expresses a strong feeling or happiness, sadness, hurt, fear or surprise is called an exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? So exclamatory sentence, a sentence that expresses a strong feeling or happiness, sadness, hurt, fear or surprise is called an exclamatory sentence. This sentence ends with an exclamation mark. This sentence ends with an exclamation mark. So student, let's learn some example of this sentence. So there is how hot it is. How hot it is. Next is oh no, I've lost my wallet. What a lovely gift. And it's the worst experience of my life. So these are the examples of exclamatory sentence. So student, these sentences express strong feeling and are called exclamatory sentence. Okay student, about the exclamatory sentence, you have to remember that exclamatory sentence show strong feeling, emotion or excitement. Okay, and it ends with an exclamation mark. So student, these are the some information about the kinds of sentences. So you must be read and learn this all given examples, and you also write this given types of sentences in your notebook with a good handwriting. So student, I hope you all are understood about the kinds of sentences. So dear student, that's it for today. In today's video, I'm only explained the kinds of sentences. Now in my next video, I will explain the exercises of this chapter. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you.